You're listening to What's on Tap Guam, Guam Waterworks Authority podcast channel. Subscribe to get updates, information, and other topics of interest that concern Guam's most precious natural resource.
Hafa Adai. This is Miguel Bordallo of the Guam Waterworks Authority with our latest update on Typhoon Mawar recovery for Wednesday, June 21st. As of 8 p.m. today, GWA has increased the number of operating wells reported in our last update from 96 to 101 wells. Our estimated production rate is 35 million gallons a day of water for our northern and central systems. That's 103% of pre-typhoon production levels from our deep wells. Additionally, the adjustments GWA has made to distribution system operations, coupled with stable operation of wells in the north, have been effective in building reservoir levels in Astumbo, Mangilao, and Chaot over the last 2 days. As of today, service levels in problematic areas have improved, and I believe we are very close to complete restoration. Reservoir levels across our distribution system continue to show improvement. Our distribution crews today restored service to the Mount Santa Rosa area and addressed service lateral leaks in Mangilao. They are also working through the night to restore service to the Chaot areas in Astumbo. Our compliance and safety teams continue to sample and analyze water from our distribution system, focusing on the few areas where the precautionary boil water notice remains in effect. I am hopeful that we will soon have met all criteria needed to get Guam EPA concurrence to lift the precautionary boil water notice in these areas. Thank you, and Situlus Masi.
For more information, visit guamwaterworks.org or call customer service at 671-647-7800. To reach our 24/7 dispatch, call 671-646-4211.